If you're planning to buy a reliable used car in 2026 and your budget is under $15,000, this video might save you thousands of dollars. Because not all used cars are created equal. Some cars will easily run past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance, while others will drain your wallet with repairs. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 most reliable used cars under $15,000 in the USA based on long-term reliability, maintenance cost, resale value, owner satisfaction, and real-world durability. Let's get started. Number 5. Mazda 3. Starting price $11,000 to $14,500. If you want reliability but also fun driving, this is your car. Why it's reliable? Simple 2.0-liter and 2.5-liter Sky Active engines. No complicated turbo issues in most trims, strong automatic transmission, fuel economy, up to 36 mpg highway. Maintenance, lower than average. Common issues: minor suspension wear after 100k miles, paint quality complaints. Check condition. Best for young drivers, daily commuters, first-time buyers. Number 4. Hyundai Elantra. Starting price $10,500 to $14,000. Hyundai has massively improved reliability over the last decade. Why this model stands out? Simple 2.0-liter engine, excellent fuel economy up to 37 mpg highway, affordable parts. Bonus, many models still have remaining factory warranty coverage. Things to check: engine recall history, verify VIN, transmission smoothness. Best for budget-focused buyers who want modern features. Number 3. Toyota Corolla. Starting price $12,000 to $15,000. If reliability had a definition, it would be Toyota Corolla. Why it's legendary: bulletproof 1.8-liter engine, extremely low maintenance cost, easily lasts 250,000 plus miles, fuel economy up to 35 mpg combined, insurance cost lower than average. Downside: not exciting to drive, interior can feel basic. Best for people who just want zero headaches. Number 2. Honda Civic. Starting price $13,000 to $15,000. The Honda Civic is one of America's most trusted cars. Why it ranks high: strong engine reliability, great resale value, comfortable ride, fun handling, fuel economy, up to 42 mpg highway CVT models. Watch out for early CVT hesitation issues. Test drive properly. Make sure recalls are completed. Best for daily drivers who want reliability plus style. Number 1. Toyota Camry. Starting price $12,500 to $15,000. The king of used car reliability. Why Camry dominates: extremely durable 2.5-liter engine, proven 6-speed automatic transmission, low long-term ownership cost. Many Camrys easily cross 300,000 miles. Fuel economy up to 33 mpg combined. Maintenance cost very low compared to competitors. Best for families, commuters, Uber drivers. Before buying any used car under $15,000, always get a pre-purchase inspection. Check Carfax report. Avoid rebuilt or salvage titles. Test drive for at least 20 minutes. Negotiate confidently. Pro tip: buying from a private seller often saves you $1,000 to $2,000 compared to dealerships. If you want cheapest option, Hyundai Elantra. Most reliable long-term, Toyota Camry. Best balance, Honda Civic. Fun plus reliable, Mazda 3. Zero stress ownership, Toyota Corolla. In 2026, buying smart matters more than ever. Car prices are stabilizing, but maintenance costs are rising, so choosing the right used car can literally save you thousands over the next 5 years. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Auto Vista USA, helping you buy smarter. See you in the next one.